you're going to need a pan to put your stain in, and I bought this in Home Depot. It was like $6. It's a little applicator. Definitely have to wear gloves. It's a messy project. It's oil based, so you have to use paint thinner, which smells really nice. Okay, so I bought this tongue and groove boards from Home Depot. You get 6 in a pack. They're $17.49 a pack. And then I bought Minwax stain. I got golden oak and walnut and natural. And I stained all the boards. These are the medium oak. There's the walnut and the natural. And I made a trusty drying rack out of 2 ladders. And I will wait for these to dry, and then tomorrow I will cut them. Okay, so this is the wall I'm going to do with planking. It's not much wall. These are a ladder and a brad nailer, and I'm using 1 1/4 inch nails. I have my Loctite. This is quick grab, my level, my air compressor, and outside I have my miter saw and my T-square. So let's get started.